Let's fill out the Montana motorcycle bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price. In our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you need to know. First, both the buyer and the seller will need to sign the title in front of a notary public. So make sure you plan ahead and have a notary present when you complete the transaction. Next, the person who signs as the buyer must be the same buyer written on the title. So double-check that the names match exactly before anyone puts pen to paper. When it comes to filling out the title, all fields must be completed in blue or black ink only. No pencil, no other colors, just blue or black ink throughout. If the motorcycle is newer than 9 years old, you will need to disclose the mileage on the document. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.